So I noticed this morning that the shower pipe is wobbly. I think it could cause some serious damage. Could you call a plumber for us?
Well, what kind of serious damage could that cause?
Well, besides leaking, you could have mold. You could even have wood rot of the supporting structures.
Oh man, that does sound serious. I'll get onto it.
Okay, great.
Hi, Mom. Yeah, Rich told me this morning that our shower pipe is loose. Yeah, I called some plumbers and they've given me an estimate of about $800 to $1,000 and it'll take a week to fix it. Then I remembered that you guys had the same problem with your shower. Who did you go through to fix it? Really? Great! I'll check that out. Thanks, Mom. The Plumbing Stabilizer 3000 kit comes with everything you need to better stabilize and secure your shower pipe. It reduces the chance of future water leaks and costly repairs in just 4 easy steps. The kit includes industrial strength glue, Allen wrench, alcohol prep pads, Plumbing Stabilizer 3000, 2 set screws, beauty ring, instructions packet, pull cover down from wall, clean area around the shower pipe with the alcohol pad. Thoroughly apply the industrial strength glue on the Plumbing Stabilizer 3000. Glue goes on the side with the rings. Place the Plumbing Stabilizer 3000 around the shower pipe. Press the glue side firmly against the wall while holding. Tighten the screws with the Allen wrench. Attach the beauty ring to the Plumbing Stabilizer 3000. Push the cover back and allow 24 hours for the glue to cure.
I see you fixed the shower. How much did that cost in the end?
I contacted my mom and she told me about a much cheaper solution. The Plumbing Stabilizer 3000.
Wow, it worked well.
It was very affordable.